Hello, beautiful people. Today I am out here in Buckeye at Mattamy Homes touring a quick move-in for a different client of mine. So I figured I would come and show you what the copper floor plan looked like. This is over 1,800 square feet. High ceilings. This builder in Buckeye actually has gourmet kitchens incorporated. This community does have gas. They installed this cute little nook area along with USB-C and USB outlets. Really nice. Talk about square footage. This is a huge room. Hello, everyone. I will tell you, Mattamy does build a nice looking house. All right, let me know if you want any information about the builder, about this community, incentives, availability, inventory, anything.